Hello, as you know, for a correct and precise analysis of the market, we need technical analysis and fundamental analysis at the same time. Fundamental analysis is done using an economic calendar including news and economic events. PORSAJ Forex Academy offers a convenient and practical economic calendar to professional traders for free. To use the economic calendar, we go to the PORSAJ.com website and go to the economic calendar page on the main page of the website. We have different sections on the economic calendar page. On the right side of the page, we have the economic news of the current week, and by using these two options, we can view the economic news of the past and future weeks. Economic news and events are divided into several categories: important or high impact news, news of medium importance or medium impact events, news of low importance or low impact news, and finally unimportant news. Each of category is marked with a special symbol. In this section, we can choose which category of news to display. For example, by clicking on this button, we can see only high-impact news. Or by using this section, we can see only the news with medium and high impact. As you can see, the economic news of the week is separated for different days of the week, and the time of each news is also known. You can choose your time zone to see your current time here, and the news will be displayed based on your regional time. For every economic event or news, we have a previous or prior value, and economists have a forecast for its new value, and finally, at the moment of the event, an actual value is announced for it. Usually, comparing the forecasted value with the previous value helps us to predict the change trend of each currency pair before the event occurs, and when the event occurs, comparing the actual value with the forecasted value and the previous value can predict the future of the movement trend. As you can see in the table of news and economic events for each currency pair, PORSAJ Forex Academy shows the effect of that economic event on the desired currency with these directional arrows, according to the previous values. On the left side of the page, you can see economic news and their impact on different currency pairs. We have 3 lines for each currency pair, each line showing the impact of economic news on different days of the week. In the first line, the impact of news based on the predictions of financial experts is displayed. At the moment of the news or event, when the actual value of an index or financial parameter is announced, in the second line, we see its momentary effect on the currency pair. Finally, the actual value declared for that financial parameter is compared to its previous value, and the effect of news or economic events on each currency pair is displayed in the third line. You can select the currency pair you want and click on it to see only the economic news related to that currency pair. As you can see, on the economic news page related to a currency pair, the impact of any news or event on this currency pair is displayed with directional arrows. Also, in this section, the impact of the economic news of the past month on the common currencies of the world is displayed, and you can see that the impact of economic news for different currencies such as the US dollar, euro, British pound, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar. You got acquainted with the information of PORSAJ Forex Academy's economic calendar page. Now you can better understand and predict the market trend by using this news along with technical analysis. In PORSAJ Forex Academy, in addition to Forex courses, we provide daily buy and sell signals on various currency pairs and cryptos, and you can receive Forex and crypto analysis for the week ahead every Sunday. Please do not forget to subscribe us.